Lapse behavior is a critical factor in pricing assumptions and overall risk management. A new analysis of industry-wide data reveals some notable patterns that could help insurers better understand lapse potential. Using more than 9.2 million policies across 12 carriers from the MIB in-force data vault, RGA uncovered some interesting dynamics with policyholders who lapse on more than one policy, policies that lapse shortly after issue, and policyholders who own more than one policy. One of the clearest findings, lapse behavior varies dramatically by face amount and product type. Compared to permanent policies with face amounts of $2 million plus, policies under $50,000 exhibited 1.6 times the multiple lapse propensity rates, 8.3 times the early lapse rates, and 3.9 times the overall lapse rates. This means low-face business is far more likely to early exit. With a focus on early and multiple lapses, this study shows the difference in these specific behaviors relative to the overall lapse rates in these cohorts. We also saw much higher lapse behavior among term policies, particularly in the $50,000 to $99,000 range. Their term lapse rates were more than double those for permanent products of the same size across all three lapse metrics. Another major finding, when looking across the entire data set, people with two policies had lapse rates about 30% higher, and those with 3 or more policies had lapse rates nearly 40% higher than single policy holders. These insights are easier to identify with the MIB in-force data vault because it includes data across various carriers. Without this broader view, insurers may miss lapse risks associated with multiple policy ownership. The bottom line, taking an industry-wide view on lapse behavior allows actuaries to more accurately set pricing assumptions and understand these risks. And as the in-force data vault continues to expand, we expect even deeper visibility into emerging lapse patterns. Check out the full report on the RGA Knowledge Center for additional insights into these specific lapse behaviors. And reach out today to learn how RGA can help you understand and apply this information.